Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super cute coasters using Cricut Infusible Ink and the Cricut Joy. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that we're over here on Design Bundles, this is going to be the bundle we're using today. It is the coaster bundle. You have stuff that is for beer, coffee, tea drinkers. There is a ton of stuff to choose from. This will be great for Christmas, Father's Day, anybody's gift, make for yourself. So today we're going to head on over to Cricut. We're going to be using the Cricut Joy today. So with this file, you're going to notice all the pieces on the right hand side. So that means they would cut individual. So what you want to do is select each file and hit attach. So the reason why those are separate is so you can go in and change colors and do what you want to, but we're just going to attach everything and then we're going to size everything down. Now I know that I need these 3.5 by 3.5, so I'm going to change either the width or either the height. So whichever one is going to be bigger, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to do that to everything, and then all we're going to do is hit make it and cut it out. So I designed all of this on my desktop, saved it, and then I did all of this with the iPad. You could do this with your iPad, your phone, whatever you want to, but today I used my iPad. So we're going to head on over to the craft room. All right, now that we're over at the craft room, you're going to need your Cricut Infusible Ink, your Joy. You could use Cricut Explorer too if you want to, your Maker, all of those things. You're going to need your Cricut Easy Press, and then all you're going to do is cut these down, load them on the mat, and cut it out. Make sure you mirror this, guys. I forgot to mention that in Design Space. Definitely make sure you mirror this or it's going to be trash. That's why there's not 4 coasters, because I totally forgot. So I'm going to cut everything out, and while I am loading the next one, I'll start weeding the other one. So I'll scoot this out of my way and I'll start weeding. Now, when you go to weed this, all you have to do is simply use your fingers. You'll start rolling this back and forth just a little bit. You'll hear that little crackle, and that will help finish breaking all that up. And all you're simply going to do at this point is weed it all out. It is super, super easy. And if you accidentally pop something off, you just kind of pop it back on. And then I just kind of use my little tool whenever it comes to sometimes like where something may get stuck, or a little teensy tiny piece for a letter or something like that. Other than that, a majority of it you truly can weed with your fingers. And then once I'm done with this one, I'll unload the next one, weed it out, and then we're ready to go. All right, so now that we've got everything ready, we're going to heat up our Easy Press. It is going to be 400 for 60 seconds. And we are going to, if you notice I have cardstock underneath, I like to protect my heat press mat. And then I've got my coaster face up, I've got my design face down, heat tape to hold it down, and then I've got the butcher paper that comes with the infusible ink. So now I'm just on top there, and you're going to hold it down for 60 seconds. Cricut recommends that you just let it set, which you totally could do, but I like to give it just a little bit of pressure. If you do this, make sure you stay completely still or you can cause ghosting, which makes it shift. So I like to use 2 sets of tweezers. I peel it off, and then you can use your tweezers to kind of pick it up, because this is going to be extremely hot, so be super safe. So I use the cloth that actually comes with the Cricut Infusible Ink. It's just a test piece. I actually use that to clean off my coasters. So I'm just repeating the process and doing the next one. Just whenever it comes to this stuff, make sure there's no lint. Any little pieces, you just want to dust those off. You could use a lint roller as well. But that's it. It's a super, super easy project. What's nice about the infusible ink is it's not going to rub off. It's going to last forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.